What's up, guys? I'm back with another meal. Um, Today we have Hungry Man Selects. It's the classic fried chicken meal with white and dark chicken meats with homestyle mashed potatoes and sweet corn. And it also comes with a brownie. I actually saved the brownie so you can see me eat it today. So this is what the food looks like after I took it out of the microwave. Took it out of the microwave like a minute or two ago. You can see the corn. Well, it's corn. Mashed potatoes. I saw in the box from the other meal I tried that it's flake, like a dry flake mashed potatoes. You mix with water. You can just buy them at the store. So I think it's real potatoes. But then we got the fried chicken, which I'm not sure what this cut is, but I know this is definitely a leg because I see a bone right here. That might be whatever. I'm just gonna eat it. All right, so I'm gonna start with the chicken. I have a fork for the potatoes. I'm not sure what part of the chicken this is, but don't focus on me. There you go. Come on. There you go. That looks pretty good, honestly. Again, I think this one was like $2. It might have been on sale, so. It's hot, but honestly, that's really good. That's really good. I'm gonna try the bigger piece. I think this is a thigh or something. I ain't that good of a bite. It's chicken. That much I can say. It's definitely not the best chicken I've had. I mean, Popeyes is better by far, but this is a $2 microwave meal, so you get what you get. You get what you pay for. Ah, shoot. There's a tendon, sorry. Oh, jeez. It's really hot, but for being frozen, it cooked really good. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's really hot. I have chicken. There we go. So you can definitely tell it's real chicken. I'm gonna go grab my paper towel real quick. I didn't think about that. Up next are the mashed potatoes. They look quite foamy. So probably the same as the beef or the pork meal. There's flies all around here. It's pretty good. Just mashed potatoes. Up next is the corn. Super hot. And it is, of course, sweet. So that's good. Lastly, we have the brownie. Now, it might be a bit cold, so I'm not sure if I'll find it as good. Ooh, that focused really good. I had me take it out so I can finish cooking the corn, potatoes, and chicken. So all the little extra pieces here are from the fork when I scooped it out. So smells really good, like a brownie, of course. I can taste the chocolate, but it's not as strong as I would like. But it does it. So now we'll go over to the nutrition facts. This has 970 calories, 59 grams of fat, 146 grams of cholesterol, 1,430 milligrams of sodium, 59 grams of carbs, and 39 grams of protein. That's a lot of stuff. Also, the ingredients list is pretty thick too. You can't see it because the camera's reversed, but hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Looks all right, I guess. Tastes good though. You could definitely live off of it, but I wouldn't recommend it. Have a good day, guys.